Will Nvidia's earnings report signal a stock market pullback? As we approach Nvidia's upcoming earnings report on November 20th, 2024, investors and market analysts are on edge, wondering if the results will trigger a significant pullback in the stock market. Nvidia, a titan in the tech industry, has been riding high on the wave of artificial intelligence, AI advancements, but the stakes are high and the market's reaction could be pivotal. The anticipation Nvidia's stock has been a star performer this year, with shares soaring by 189% year to date. This meteoric rise has been fueled by the company's dominance in the AI sector, particularly with its cutting-edge GPUs that power everything from data centers to autonomous vehicles. However, with such rapid growth, there's always the looming question: how long can this momentum last? Earnings. Expectations. For the third quarter, analysts are expecting Nvidia to report earnings per share, EPS, of 0.74 on revenue of $33.2 billion. This represents an 83% year-over-year increase, a staggering figure that underscores the company's explosive growth. The data center segment, which is Nvidia's largest business, is projected to bring in $29 billion, doubling from the same period last year. Gaming revenue is also expected to see a modest increase, reaching $3 billion. Market sentiment. Despite these impressive numbers, the market's reaction is far from guaranteed. In the past, Nvidia has delivered stellar earnings reports only to see its stock price dip immediately afterward. This phenomenon can be attributed to a variety of factors, including profit-taking by investors and the high expectations already baked into the stock price. The broader market context. The broader stock market has been experiencing a rollercoaster ride this year. After a strong start, there was a significant sell-off in August due to renewed recession fears and other macroeconomic factors. The Federal Reserve's decision to cut interest rates by 50 basis points in September provided some relief, but uncertainty remains high. Potential pullback triggers. Several factors could trigger a pullback in Nvidia's stock and the broader market. High expectations. Nvidia's stock price already reflects high expectations. If the earnings report, despite being strong, doesn't exceed these lofty expectations, we could see a sell-off as investors lock in profits. Guidance and outlook. Investors will be keenly watching Nvidia's guidance for the next quarter. Any signs of slowing growth or cautious outlook could spook the market. Macroeconomic factors. Broader economic concerns such as inflation, interest rates, and geopolitical tensions could also weigh on investor sentiment. Sector rotation. There's been a noticeable rotation out of big-cap growth and AI stocks into value and smaller company names. If this trend continues, it could put additional pressure on Nvidia's stock. Emotional rollercoaster for investors. For investors, the anticipation of Nvidia's earnings report is an emotional rollercoaster. On one hand, there's excitement about the company's continued growth and innovation. On the other hand, there's anxiety about whether the stock can sustain its high valuation and the potential for a market pullback. The human element investing is not just about numbers and charts, it's also about human emotions. The fear of missing out, FOMO, can drive investors to buy into a rising stock, while the fear of losing money can lead to panic selling. Nvidia's earnings report will likely evoke a mix of these emotions, making it a critical moment for both individual and institutional investors. Conclusion. As we await Nvidia's earnings report, the market is holding its breath. Will the results justify the high expectations, or will they signal a pullback? Only time will tell. For now, investors should brace themselves for potential volatility and remember that in the world of investing, it's essential to keep a level head and stay focused on long-term goals.